Let's now sit upright for our guided meditation. Let's take a nice, long, deep breath and send the message to every muscle. Relax and let go. Become aware of your feet, your calves, your thighs, and send the message, relax, relax. Let go and relax. And feel the subtle sensation of your body relaxing. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Become aware of your arms, your shoulders, your hands and fingers. Sending the message, relax, relax. Relaxing the muscles in your back, the upper, middle, lower. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Relax and let go. Becoming aware of your neck, relaxing your neck, the front, the back, the sides. Relaxing the muscles in your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your whole face, from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. And now scanning your body again and seeing if there's still any place that needs to relax. You might want to gently tense and relax that part of your body. Sometimes we have challenges fulfilling the term let go and let God. Because when we let go, there might be the feeling of, well, what's there to catch us or to hold us up? And it's important to know that when we let go, we're letting go of trying to control things from the ego, from the humanness. And that when we let go of fear, worries, tension, trying to force things, then we begin to allow the presence to express more fully and completely. That there is a presence, one presence and power, everywhere present, underlying all form. You might call that presence consciousness or presence, source. And as we let go, that presence is there to unfold, to express. So in a way, we're letting go with balance. As we let go, there's a presence to balance it out. So let us let go of that which concerns us. I'm letting go of concerns and fears about my health or the health of others. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go of worries about the economy. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go of worry about my finances, paying the bills, finding work. I'm letting go of fears about the future with my job. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go of worry about loved ones and how they're doing. Or worry about the economy and the coronavirus. I'm letting go of worry because I know that worry is not going to help. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. What is the specific thing that's been concerning you lately? Mentally think to yourself, I'm letting go of, and place in that space the thing that you're concerned about. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. And as I let go, I trust that the presence can heal, prosper, guide, direct, perform whatever is needed through me, through my loved ones, through others. God is able to heal my body. God is able to open up opportunities for employment. God is able to guide and direct me in meeting my financial responsibilities. God is able. God is able to heal my loved ones. God is able to guide and direct my loved ones and myself in making decisions. What is that unique concern of yours? God is able. In your mind, mentally put in that space your particular concern. God is able to heal me, guide me, help me in every way. God is able. 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 Rest in the stillness now, in the quiet, repeating in your mind, God is able. And wait in the quiet to feel inner peace, inner well-being, to feel the reality of God is able. And we bring our awareness now back to the body, back to the room. And we trust that Spirit is guiding us in taking right action. That God is inspiring us at the right and perfect time, that whatever efforts we make are being guided and directed. We trust the activity of Spirit working in our loved ones and friends. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.